Hey everyone, my name is Chelsea and I'm going to Vicar to become a nurse. I'm in the nursing program. I am from Grand Haven and I went to Grand Haven High School, but I am originally from Arizona. I lived there for 14 years of my life and just moved to Michigan almost 5 years ago, not fully 5 years ago. My mom is from Grand Haven and my dad's from Canada, but my brother and I were born in Arizona. So my brother is about 16, 15. So we moved here when he was about 10, and when I was about 14. So where I work right now, I work at the Oak campus, the general campus off of Apple, urgent care slash lab. I'd be the one registering you when you got there, either for urgent care or for lab, and then I'd be the one drawing your blood. So it's a pretty fun job. Not as hard as people would think to draw blood. You just gotta have a lot of practice. And then it's pretty simple after that. So some hobbies that I have, I guess, would just be like singing. I've been singing since kindergarten and all through high school, all through everything. I was always in a choir class. I even went to a art school where I did band, choir, drama, and piano classes. It was required at school to take those, so I was in a bunch of things. And another thing that I love to do would be baking. I make cakes, macaroons, you name it, I will make it. Doesn't mean I will eat it, but I will make it. I like to give them out to other people, and a lot of people like to eat sweets, so I'm always giving them out to people. If I had to choose a favorite movie, it would probably have to be the Captain Marvel movie that just came out. It was super good. Nothing over the top in any way. If you watch Marvel, I would recommend it. You'd get a lot out of it before the end game comes out. It was just really good. It was well put together. I guess it was just different in a way from all the other Marvel movies, but it was really good. My favorite book would have had to have been The Book Thief, and I'm not one to read books, but that book kept me on the edge of my seat 24/7 and just kept you intrigued and interested, and you were like emotionally invested in the book. I'm not the biggest history fan, but that book really was super good, and it takes place in World War II during the Holocaust, so it was super good. So I think I decided to go to college. I guess I've always thought I'd go to college, but I wanted to become a nurse when I was in about 6th grade, and then ever since then I've kind of just had my set mind to it, so that's why I'm here. It was nice getting to know everybody, and I hope you had fun getting to know me. Talk to you guys later. Bye.